Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today my topic is a beta oxidation of fatty acids. What is a beta oxidation? Beta oxidation of the fatty acid, it is the breakdown of fatty acid to acetyl CoA. This beta oxidation occur in mitochondria and its process is strictly aerobic. After the production of acetyl CoA is fed directly into the Krebs cycle. It occurs in many tissues including liver, kidney and heart. Fatty acid oxidation does not occur in brain. There are several steps of the fatty acid oxidation. Number 1, beta oxidation of fatty acid. Number 2, alpha oxidation of fatty acid. And number 3 is the omega oxidation of fatty acids. Beta oxidation of fatty acids involve 3 stages. Number 1, activation of the fatty acid in the cytosol. Number 2, transport of the activated fatty acid into mitochondria. Number 3, beta oxidation proper in the mitochondrial matrix. In first step, activation of fatty acid. This process by the fatty acid thiokinase enzyme present in cytosol, and this enzyme is required by ATP coenzyme A, SH group and magnesium. The product of this reaction is the fatty acid, acyl coenzyme and waters are produced. In second step, transport of fatty acid acyl CoA from cytosol into mitochondria. And long chain fatty acyl CoA transfers the inner mitochondrial membrane with special transport mechanism that is called the carnitine shuttle. Acyl group from the acyl CoA is transferred to carnitine to form the acyl carnitine catalyzed by the carnitine acyl transferase 1 in outer mitochondrial membrane. Acyl carnitine is then shuttled across the inner mitochondrial membrane by translocase enzyme. This acyl group is transferred back to the coenzyme in matrix by carnitine acyl transferase 2. Finally, carnitine is returned to the cytosolic site by translocase in exchange for an incoming acyl carnitine. This is the whole process picture. Number 3 is the proper beta oxidation in mitochondria matrix. It includes the 4 steps. In first step is the oxidation by the FAD linked dehydrogenase. In second step, hydration of the hydratase enzyme. Third step is the oxidation by the NAD linked dehydrogenase. And fourth step is the thiolytic cleavage by the thiolase enzyme. First reaction is the oxidation of acyl CoA by the acyl CoA dehydrogenase to give the alpha beta unsaturated acyl CoA. FAD is the hydrogen acceptor. Second reaction is the hydration of the double bond to the beta hydroxy acyl CoA. And third reaction is the oxidation of the beta hydroxy acyl CoA to produce the beta keto acyl CoA NAD dependent reaction. Fourth reaction is the breakdown of the 2 carbon fragment by splitting the bond between the alpha and beta carbon in the presence of the thiolase enzyme. This is the whole steps of the beta oxidation process of palmitoyl CoA. The release of the acetyl CoA leave an acyl CoA molecule shortened by 2 carbon. This acyl CoA molecule is substrate to next round of oxidation started with the acyl CoA dehydrogenase. Repetition continue until all carbon of the original fatty acyl CoA is converted to the acetyl CoA. In last round, 4 carbon acyl CoA is cleaved to the 2 acetyl CoA. Energetic of the fatty acid oxidation, for example, in the palmitic acid. Number 1, beta oxidation of the palmitic acid will be repeated 7 cycles, producing 8 molecules of acetyl-CoA. In each cycle, FADH2 and NADH plus H is produced and will be transported to the respiratory chain. FADH is equal to 2 ATP and NADH is considered equal to the 3 ATP. So 7 cycle 5 into 7, that is the 35 ATP. Each acetyl-CoA which oxidize in citric acid cycle give 12 ATP. ATP is utilized in the activation of the fatty acids. Energy gain is equal to energy produced minus energy utilized. So 35 ATP plus 96 ATP minus 2 ATP, at the end we get 129 ATP. The next is the omega oxidation of the fatty acid. Omega oxidation is the process of fatty acid metabolism in some species of animals. It is an alternate pathway to the beta oxidation that instead involving the beta carbon and involve the oxidation of omega carbon. The enzymes unique to the omega oxidations are located the endoplasmic reticulum of the liver and kidney, and the preferred substrate are the fatty acid of 10 to 12 carbon. First step, introduce the hydroxyl group on the omega carbon by mixed function oxidase involved in cytochrome P450 and NADPH. Each produce the carboxyl group at each end, like this. In each pass through the beta oxidation pathway, double bond fatty acid yield dicarboxylic acid such as the succinic acid which can enter the citric acid cycle. Thank you.